Mama Ruti, and your colleague. Ke hopela o tamisha ba lelapa la Malema, mama le bo malume, ke dumedishe Mrs. Malema, mosadi wa class, le bana. Ki dumedishe kereke Malema na tsena yona. Ke rata ka mokgwa le upelang ka ona. Maabane hele re busy re decorator. Ke latile moetapele wa band. Ka mbutsha hore, how come are we not working with you? So from today, I want to officially announce hore Living Memory le band e upelang, we are a team. Ke hopela o dumedisha baagisane ba Malema le setjhaba sa Namagale, baruti ba kereke, baetapele ba dipolitiki ba ba leng gona, le di civic organization, ba di undertakers tse di leng gona. Ke tshepile ba bantši le maketse hele bona o mongwe a emela SAFPA mara a apere skipa sa Living Memories. SAFPA, we are one of the pillars. Living Memories is one of the pillars e leng gona in SAFPA. Hence, we are also represented in the provincial leadership. Renali other undertakers, Kibone ba Mvuleni, can you just wave your hand, Molini Mvuleni, just stand, Balibone. Kibone ba Suatumul, Bawana ba Suatumul, again. Thank you, Kebali. Barishaka Funerals, Tate Malachi wona, le delegation ya Rishaka, ba Rainbow ba ona, ke bale, ke bone, a ke tsebe hore ho na le ba bang ke ba lebetse, ba ba setšeng, but ke a tshepa hore ba bantši ba tlo tla, le tla kry-a hore maybe ba tšhabile pula mara here ya Mabitleng, re tla di bona dikoloi tsa di undertaker tse dingwe, le ska tšhaba ho di namela kere. Mo industry e ra thušana. He o na le funeral ya one of the colleagues ya company engwe, re kgona ho thegana. A re elwe. You know ba di custom di lwang, rena a re elwe, ra berikšana. You know ba di custom ba tlo tla ba re rena re sa nyaka re nyaka efe, rena ra tsebana ra berikšana. Ke nyaka o tšea sebaka se ke dumeditše ba ba di videographer, Mr. Mielan Fungeni le Ntate Charles wa Car Explorer. Ke tshepa hore la ba bona ba busy ba tšea di picture kere. He le bona camera e le no smile nyana ka hore a kere ntwe e leng gona e streama ko YouTube. So live ba ba paletseng ho tla from other branches ba kgona ho lebella this program today. So lelena hele nyaka ho bona, you can just go to the YouTube ya Living Memories, la kgona ho bona the whole proceeding ya funeral. Ke ka mokgwa re berekang ka ona kere. Re na le other service providers, ho na le Ntate Nkosi, ke a tseba hore o donatile di toilet. Re na le Mr. Khotso, Mama Basa, Banzuna, Konin Zuna, le ba bangwe ba kgoneng go tlo ba tla re thusa ka dikoloi ke ba ba re berekisang le bona ba di-service providers akere. Class Malema, Naili one of about over 300 employees, tsa Living Memories. So, little understand already, Rishota ka one soldier today. My leader here, Tate Stole, ubuliche a name the branches kamoka. Kitsepa rusile tse dingwe. The branch ba di ceiling, please don't feel offended. Ke a tseba hore ba bantši, more especially staff sa Living Memory, some of you le drive since 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock yesterday in the afternoon, and na li tswa ubereka, na li buluka somewhere else, mar li kgone ho tla mo Phalaborwa, la robala dikoloing, ba bangwe la robala ko ofising. I saw others were even sleeping here. Ki respect your dedication. Ering kere class na bereka ko department ya granite. Renali a tombstone manufacturing department. Ke baba manufacturing tombstone rina morena e o batla tombstone ari odi somewhere else. Re thoma fase ra khata liswika ra designer according to your specification. And he had a very good craftsman skill. He was one of the polishers. Helibona tombstone is shina. Na ilimbereko high. Oberekile rina Alisa for greener pastures. Fortunately for us, unfortunately for him, greener pastures yam humble. He had to come back to us. Arki will. Raremuna, ape morena asikereking otaro backslide dile no will obone mudima o Thomas fast. Initially we were reluctant to take him back. But after he humbled himself and showed his dedication, we agreed to say, no, you can come and work with us again. Obuileka May last year. Unfortunately, he only worked for 9 months. We used to meet Kadi Mondays in our meetings. Sometimes, over the projects, I used to visit their office or their department. Rokono bonshana or designer kai bereka joang. He used to love driving, I must indicate. Narata koloi. Any car he starta fela. Baro tsamaya ka koloi as long as he started to tsamaya class. I remember one day, re ba romile Polokwane. Unfortunately, mo company ya rena a re dumele hore dikoloi tsa rena di fe batho di lift. So, ke tshepa hore le tla understand. Ka hore a kere dikoloi tse di bereka mbereko o mongwe a kere. Seo ka kry-a o nametse somebody a dira a ba le accident. Ba tlo beya mo company-ing a kere. Ba re ya Living Memory bona hore a ena stoko. Na e nyaka o stoka ka ola. So a re dumele hore ba fe batho di lift. So I remember I met him. Analin tato mongwe ko morao ka re mona ke mang o arawa ke malume wa ka o ya kae o ya Polokwane o reka part ya koloi ke re mara wena o tswa ofising malume o tsebele jwang gore wena o ya Polokwane no khale a mbuditse gore o nyaka. So but fortunately that day na ke tswa kerekeng so modimo a gona o tsenella And ke ka mokgwa class le yena a phunyukileng ka ona. Like any other employee, we used to have our fights, but all the fights was for a good cause. Because we work in an industry where we must serve our people. Sometimes people even forget our pains because they are focused on their pain. I remember last week, Friday, it was a very tough day. When we heard the news, I couldn't believe it. I was in an office with some staff members, back call center, and they asked, what's happening? I said, no, it's nothing. I cracked a joke and we talked about something else. Then later on, we called all staff members wa Phalaborwa, and we said, we have heard the bad news, but up to so far is an allegation. We can't confirm it up until the family comes to us and confirm. It was very difficult. Imagine you are talking to people who were his colleagues. And nowadays, we know we are living in the life via social media. And we had to tell them, we don't want to see any of our staff members posting anything up until the family comes and confirm. Then that is the time that we can say, yes, officially, now we can release the statement. It was also difficult to tell other branches because we had to wait from Friday up until when the family came on Monday to then relay the message to the other branches. Imagine that Friday, we had to comfort each other, and other families were waiting for us to deliver their loved ones. We had to wipe our tears, put in a smile, be ready for other families as if we are not in pain. But unfortunately, that is the life that we chose to live, to serve others and put others first. As a company and as colleagues, we felt it important to give one of our own a well-deserved send-off. Ke bone ka mokgwa di colleagues tsa hae ba contributileng ka ona. They were so quick to respond. Some of them didn't even know him. But the fact that he is one of us, they felt the pain. During the week, we had a meeting with the granite department. Rare, guys, we know it's very difficult. One of your own has crossed the line. What do we do now? How do you honor him? Bari Rabafa the powers to craft whatever he liked. But Lali design, but this is the design ya tombstone in Airata. Then we said, as long as you are happy that you are going to remember your own, it's fine with us. To the family ya Malema, I remember I told our staff, and from the teaching that we have in the industry, the best way of comforting a mourning person is to keep quiet and say nothing. People don't understand this. I cannot pretend to feel your pain. What I feel now might be nothing compared to what you feel. Henkatla molina gerawa hutla fita. I don't know your pain. But we are saying, Mudimo ona, and God will be with you. To the staff, Sa Living Memories, remain strong, remain dedicated, continue with the legacy that one of ours has started. I must indicate in front of everybody, or my colleagues, by Living Memories, you are making us proud. We are so proud of you. We saw what you did. And we know this is not the first time that we have been burying one of our own. But each and every time, you do it better than the previous time. So continue, keep on the good work. It was very difficult, Friday. We had to gather and check. Our hotels are not prepared for us. Normally, we don't believe the hotels are in our. For those who don't know, Rena Mo Living Memories are not the moshare. Arna moshare, Revita pleke arena di hotel tsarina. Reason being, because we love our loved ones. And we want to make sure, hebatla morina, ba check in, they're in the safest, the most safest space. But imagine if you have to put one of your own in your own hotel. We had to arrange and assist and put him in a space where we know it's not going to affect other staff members. That is the respect that we give to one of our own. To Malima, class, Rere Mushabi, Robala Kahut, Uipeti le hautzil, Ratlaulate. Thank you.